There was no smut on my rep last time that I checked. Jefferson's in the set. Make a $250,000, no sweat last time that I checked.
All right, you guys, time to start my day. Yeah, these vlogs is coming back to Bizac. All right, let's go. Alright, so when we get into this cut, let me tell you guys what my thought process was. Alright, I seen a lot of hair, okay, and I said, dang, this is my opportunity to do the Game Changer. That's where I first saw it from, alright? I seen the Game Changer do it first, alright? Then I saw the Fourth Ken do it next. Then, Yo Fonz, he did it, so I was like, hey, you know, I'm gonna give it a try because I just wanna try it. Can I try too? Okay? I'm just making sure I give credit where credit is due, okay? Proceed, back to the video. Back to the video. So if y'all remember, that was my client that I cut back in the days. I did a tutorial on him, and he was dipping. I don't know what happened. All right, I don't know what happened. He said he fell off. Some things wasn't going right, so you know he had to grow it out. But let's see if he come back with a vengeance. All right, Waivers, stand up. We in here. All right, Waivers is coming back. You seen the afro, but you see what they gotta do after they, you know what I mean, after they grow it out and they have it, then you got to come back to the waves. You got to. Such a big package. Such a big. Uncle Cam, why you? I got a package, y'all. I got a package in the mail. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Hold on. Let me open it up. I gotta be safe because last time I cut myself trying to open up this box with no blade. So I'm gonna keep it real careful this time. All right. Okay. Talc powder. Okay. All right. A talc powder? No, I should say styling powder. I don't know what it's called, but hey, hold on. Let me show you one of them. Yeah, I kind of like this stuff. Shout out to Memo for supplying me with a free bottle. We out. All right, you guys, listen. My 1030 didn't show up, and basically I don't have too much of nobody to cut right now, so we're just gonna be chilling. Okay, we're gonna be doing a bunch of transitions until somebody comes in. All right, YouTube, that's it. This is the day. Ain't too much really happened. I don't have too much more of the theatrical nonsense that I do all the time, so I'm just gonna end it here, okay? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. New to the channel, hit that little subscribe button right there. It's a red one. It's on either or side, doesn't matter, okay? It could be on this side or it could be on this side. Like I said, if you like the video, just hit the thumbs up button right here, okay? It goes a long way. Whether you dislike it or you like it, it all goes a long way. So just hit that button right there on the side. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Just please hit that subscribe button though if you're new. If you came here, okay, you don't know who I am. If you've never seen me before, hit the subscribe button right now. I'll give you time. To the ones out there that's like, I'm not gonna hit the subscribe button, but you got so many followers. Please stop thinking like that, okay? Change your mind, okay? Stop searching for me on the web, okay? To look up my YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button. All right, we out.